I know you like to stay. Give me a chance, make I show you love some more. Open up, cause I dare your door. Make my money show. I know I want somebody another one. Is it too late? Baby, don't wait. Tell me, baby, if you're mine. No. I know go make you go. See the way your body go. Just go. How it feels, my baby, how it feels. How it feels, yeah, let you tell my did you wrong. How it feels, how it feels. How it feels, my baby, how it feels.
Right, so it's a Fire Friday morning, folks. Morning and baby, that's it. Right, ladies and gentlemen, Akwaba at about 93.3 FM. Your friend here, Jenny Champion Boaten, Comic Hood by Lade. You had Anybody by Benabo. You had Monica by Show Money. You had Easy with the song One Girl. And also Fire Afrobeat from Guilty Beats. You had Control from Stoneboy. And my favorite, DSL. You had the song Happy, which he featured LaRusso on the one. And later by Mr. Drew, you had Adole by Camilo. And Jackie with Something. And also Vanilla. A new member of the Boo House Entertainment came through with How It Feels. Ladies and gentlemen, Akwaba at about 93.3 FM. And a very big thank you to the production team, Emmanuel Jumo, DJ Shabo, Kobe K, and Mr. Billy. As I said earlier, we're about to entertain you to the max. So just be ready for us. And I hope you're ever ready. It's a Friday, Joe. Right, so the music on the background coming from Camido, the latest Ghanaian BET nominee. Hey, where's hey, what's your best Ghanaian order? Hey, man, see it, Bobo. I know give it any other shoe. Was it Bobo? Many plans I have for you. That's right. So, ladies and gentlemen, once again, we are still on the best frequency, and that is 93.3 FM. We're transmitting live from Achema Boabo, inside the studios of Yakia Frakuma. Send me a first on 0594-841-044. You can as well join the show live on Facebook. Mahinkai 93.3 FM. You can just leave a comment, but I still share the video as well for a friend to also have a feel of what is going to happen today on the show. It's a freestyle thing. It's a Friday. We put all the executive kind of thing outside the box and make sure. So once again, send me a first. If today happens to be your very first time tuning in to this particular frequency, you won't regret, because you tune into the best. And of course, I am your host with the most, your friend Kobina Boateng. Over to me from Kobina Costi, a branch upon the prophet gentleman. Myself and my team, we are fired up this morning. We tell you don't lie. Nah, we ain't joking at all. Right, so 37 after 10. You get a daily dose of motivations, my bro. On Friday, lot of music. My man, DJ Shabu. Right, so real quick, big shouts to all my favorite people. Big shouts to Mr. Oben, Mr. Chumesi, KNL Faze. I said the phone in the name back up, Salum the Gambia, Bereman Quine, Plasma the Taylor, Nanaya, good morning, Komamuna, Bra Michael, over SDA Junction on the Mahana, slash Gobe Banku joint. I say, I know how some man in Banasari, and I just say, Wunjibu 2, that's right. And also a big thank you to Exclusive Beauty Salon, good to know. We are always in tune. And also to the boys at Amaj, good morning to you all. And also a very big good morning. Patty's Golden Seasons, Madame Aseda Leticia, good morning, come on. Mama Vida, Jubilee, Bridget Oswa, good morning, come on. And again, and come on, Emmanuel Amawuga, we electrician, good morning. And also, and come on. Quality fashion, Liberty Transport, and Transfer War, and also to all my taxi drivers. Charlie, I hope you guys are feeling the vibe. And I'm today, Maminti, yeah. That's right. It's a big shout to all the taxi drivers, most especially Brad David, Pasco, Raouf, MP3, Staga, Obama, Ricardo, Obatampa, Jonathan, Medeshie, to Banchi, Telapia, Richmond, Apia, Emos, Baruso Boy, Piero, Rakwami Okasien, to you, man like Weezy. Good morning. Come on, man like yes, Lord Kali, bro. Charlie, what's the day? What's the day? Very big shouts going out to you. All the staffs at Chimodan Government Hospital, especially Madam Pat, Madam Maggie, Nana Joa, and Madam Vera. Good morning to you all. And I feel one and the kind and I don't cast a video to Hanoma, which I think 3.3. And this is how we do on Fridays. I mean, Charlie, we make sure. Oh yeah, Jumano, now the party now, bro, right at your office. So wherever you are, you're about to party. I hope you guys are ready. Charlie, 4 glass, you know. We're about to sip some. No, it's in the morning, so we're not gonna sip alcohol. That's it. So there's this dance, eh? They say, hey, like this. Those of you watching on Facebook, yeah, I hope you guys after the show. But the energy in the studio alone won't allow me to go to the hospital. In fact, I love Fridays. I wish you once again a Kwaba. When you send me a test. The numbers again are 0594-841-044. 0594. Someone do want to tell me something? No. Okay. 0594-841-044. I think he sent me some video. Yeah. He said what's up? He said bullshit. Okay. Hey, what's up? Everybody now. What's up? Hey. Everybody now. To find it any other. Alright, so it's a Friday morning. If you do speak English, how are you doing? If you speak Gantete, if you speak Brekume Poeteme, if you speak Awazaya de Fra Lawone, if you speak Grushi, if you speak in Zaman Cordier, and you're Fantinia me Pacha won't name, Bibi Abacordier. Those of you watching me from Rwanda, Kenya, Mangina, if you do speak Swahili, Habari Yaku, Bibi Abako. We are in Ghana. You are watching Memu at young country. Me watch them what to say. Bibi Abako. We see energy now was run and say for. Oh my days. I love radio, trust me, especially on Fridays. Right. And we just signed in for happiness, right? Charlie, am I an engineer there? And it's a woman with ninja. I want to put you in the mood right about now. So, Shabo, if you're ready for me, give me Young Release and Mr. Easy. And they cause that song Happy, right? Alright, so let's get into it. Happy 93.3 FM. Good morning and have a wonderful day.
Have a blessed day. I know they play with my happiness. I know go ever let my worries make me stress. Nothing go play with my happiness. Yeah, now what is say sometimes I go to die like tomorrow, no day. Many people don't come and go. Now only one life we can do. So free your mind, dance tonight. Let the music take control. For tonight we must push it for you. Yeah, that's why I say. Me I want to die, me I want to party, me I want to have some fun. Me I want to be happy. Happiness is all I need. Me I want to die, me I want to party, me I want to have some fun. Me I want to be happy. Happiness is all I need. Me I want to die, me I want to be happy. Me I want to die, me I want to be happy. Me I want to die, me I want to be happy. Me I want to die, me I want to be happy. You see, God no fi born zombie, so don't mess with the energy. I just want make my money, and I just wanna be happy. Let me this see what body, I might get the gun body. Nothing man you never see, but tonight we must jolly. Now I be say sometimes I go to jail like tomorrow no day. Many people don't come and go. Now only one life we get to. So free your mind, make we vibe. Oh your baby make it know. Say tonight we got to shake body.
Everybody now, me I want to die. Alright, so let's have some fun here on 93.3 FM. Happiness is what we need most definitely, regardless whatever you're facing. You really need to happy yourself, Charlie. That kind of damn moment. Not on Friday. Not at all. Not at all. As I always used to say, this is what I signed in for. I always want to make sure your Fridays are always special. Your Fridays are always smooth. Your Fridays are always the best of days. Trust me. Even though I'm a Tuesday born, I love Fridays. Trust me. I do love Fridays. So this is what we do on 93.3 FM, a Juma on Friday edition of the mid-morning. We make sure whatever we say, whatever we do, every song we play here entertains you to the mass. So in the meantime, our daily dose of motivation certainly will come in your way. But there's another song I want us to jump to, and that is Can Promise. And because this one, Terminator. You ready for the dance move? You ready for the dance move at your office? Charlie, we are taxi driver, Mr. Menyabi. Make no dance at the beg. Conform Quankuta. What if you are in the office? I beg, drop down that pen. For pen to fall. For pen to fall. Let's party. Let's party on radio. 47 after 10. Shall we be ready for them? Let's do this. Terminator Can Promise. Good morning.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kosti.
Let's go.
In life, if you understand me or not, misunderstand me or not, me, I'm okay. I'm okay. And if you think I'm wrong or not, long as it's what I want, me, I'm okay. I'm okay. Cause who are you to judge me like say you be holy past? And they love my life, get my peace of mind, that I try survive. We all be sinners, my bodies comes first. I never come left to stress, yeah. I be like Terminator. I dey deliver. I pass it doctor. I be like Terminator. I dey deliver. I pass it doctor. I be like Terminator. I dey deliver. I pass it doctor. I be like Terminator. I dey deliver. I pass it doctor.
Have a blessed day.
I don't care for stunting. I only care for money. I never care for perfect. As long as I'm happy. You see me, I know for sure they know me. Young boy, but I know G. 6 years, no be small thing. And since I entered the game, fatality. The troubled days, sleepless nights, things I see inside life. I think I Charlie the things I see. No, they live to impress nobody. Without my thing, them forget. So only can me. Oh no, oh no. Cause who are you to judge me like say you the only pass? I didn't love my life, get my peace of mind, but I try survive. We all be sinners, my body, nobody only bad. And my happiness comes first, I never come life to stress, yeah. I be like Terminator, I the deliver, I pass it doctor. I be like Terminator, I the deliver, I pass it doctor. I be like Terminator, I the deliver, I pass it doctor. I be like Terminator, I the deliver, I pass it doctor.
Let's go. Everybody, do that. Let's go. I see you. Hey, hey, hey. Yes, yes. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Can we do it together? You don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that vibe. Energy, energy. You don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that vibe. Oh. You don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that vibe. Hey, let's go. You don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that vibe. Oh. Let's go. Hey, go, go, go. Listen, bro, why you they worry? Worry. What be your story? Sorry. You don't get him. I said God go do one. Do one. Listen, why you they worry? Worry. What be your story? Sorry. Hey, you don't get him. Hey, I said God go do one. Listen, you don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that vibe. You don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that vibe. Oh. Yes, shit. Hey, you don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that vibe. Hey, hey, you don't feel that vibe. I don't feel that vibe. Oh. Let's go.
Right, I know you don't feel the vibe. That's right. The energy for the studio alone. Shall I bet him they be a night club? It's some music from the band Fra. And of course, this one you feel the vibe. And most definitely, Charlie, we gonna make you feel the vibe here. We aren't joking. Definitely.
Alright. Don't give up. Don't get inside. Oh, yeah, move to the dance floor. Check your body.
What's it there?
Make you no stress about what you go wear. Baba God, he go sort you.
He go sort you.
Even for the bed, for the fish in the sea. Baba God, he dey come through.
He dey come through. Hey.
You go there, alright.
Alright.
Don't give up.
Him there inside.
Oh, yeah, move to the dance floor.
Everybody now. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you dey feel that vibe. Everybody now. Hey, you dey feel that vibe. You dey feel that vibe. Ade, energy. Ade, for mommy. Ade, go for mommy. Hey, for mommy. Go for mommy. Hey, for mommy. For mommy, hey, go for mommy. Adede, go for mommy.
Go for mommy.
Shambo for mommy, hey, for mommy. One left to the, one left to the left side, one left to the. Ade, Bernalo, yakwe. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Hey, Bendalo. That's right. So the Banfra want you to feel the vibe. This is our true live recording section. You to feel the vibe. And I hope you guys are also feeling the vibe wherever you are, in your taxis, hotel office. Look, grandpa feel no matter sorry. Shall I even call 19? I feel no matter sorry. And I hope you guys you feel the vibe. You feel the vibe. So as you feel the vibe, was definitely you should dance as well, yeah. You know, they make you feel the vibe and we go make you dance as well. But we actually need to move on to our daily dose of motivations as usual, and then it's brought to us by Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Obisa me pekasa to but also why am I here? Am I not here to talk and play music and at the end of the month I go get salary? And I they here say I can't talk. Now you drive me car was you say I love talk too much. Okay, so next time I no go talk. Okay, so this is what we for do on Fridays. I can't Friday I no go talk. I just go play the songs near upon. LPM I no go do. But so me now my baby can on Jay. And I yes. Right, Tito. Yeah, my energy in bra from Kakra. Your cup break you are now for the energy. Best about Subi, but this time around, never try 100%. Yeah. It's a young daily dose of motivations. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery are there on Pebia. And the crown shares some of the bro. Color Studios watching more than Liberty Transport, Opposite, Kinop, for my talk. One more Facebook, more what I didn't share me no. Right, me, Charlie, they can't know the show. So, okay. Hey. Who's that sure I can run the mountain? You do say the thing they here. Okay, yeah. Okay. It's a Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. They are Tadia Shami. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Watching more than Liberty Transport, Opposite, Kinop, Pharmacy. The show per se and Tadia come upon. We are Jumeko, hairdresser for, carpenter for, driver for. In fact, Jumekobia, I'm going to say printing Tadia the company, so pictures. Why you for a bus, so could be videos, pictures in Yadamawa. The patch of Color Studios and Digital Embroidery, or Liberty Transport, Honor. Also to out. How then they spell out? O-U-T. Out. What this about nothing? Oh, what this about? Don't you know I am working? You should be out this that's an what this about? Now, what tell me we are. Maybe bunu I don't know how about. Charlie, I will send you the mommy cinemas is here. Look at this. What this about the go for assembly man? What I'm cinema we are. You be there no so home come. Mommy motivational message. Yes, Mr. Billy Bubefu. Tito, me. What this about train? Yes, I'm a boss, baby. Alive. Mr. Billy, the motivational message is me the year of pay. Now the both is here. Eti, mommy, me here. Now for my boss. Now you be proud with the energy. It's in your daily dose of motivations. The patch away free or suffer bakubia. Me penasam pan. So he's part of the few pastors me I was saying you may. I was suffer me tasha ne pan on YouTube. Friend Joel Austin. Me shani debia Sunday numere bia na me pick up baby. In fact, he's a very powerful preacher. Ebia untie ni dana sunshine that this is a chance, this opportunity. Or this year bafa homa nyame na for Joel Austin. Your time na share the videos in here and nyina on YouTube. Okay, you know I can say be what say. The power to see change in your life as you speak. If you have the power to set the destiny for your life by what comes out of your mouth. This is from Joel Austin and Joel Assembly. Let's just be able to find it serious because this is a powerful preacher of God. In fact, this man. Now, Mrs. Subi was said the power to see change in your life can be found in the words you speak. You have the power to set the destiny for your life by what comes out of your mouth. I say what to me I will be some brabo by in some oka. in summer a free no mubano. It will to me etimi as a sunny pa brabo. You have the power to set the destiny for your life. You have the power to set the destiny for your life by what comes out of your mouth. Enye bebia na ejina e kan nsem. Enye bebia na ejina e di nkomo. Ena nya asem bia ena wo se wo kan e de to ho anase wo kan e ma ne bem anase wo kan kire wo ho. That is the right word. Enya asem bia ena wo se wo kan. I think this one is in the Bible. Say techrema e wo tumi a ehira e de san no me, right? Yeah. Okay. It is said to me the tank to me what techrema no so. Na se betimi ehira, na se betumi anome a. Why don't you always speak positive things into your life? Because say asama meka ene no ebetimi a kire who I will be in the future there. Why don't I speak positive things into my life? Sha sorry anopa. There's this message. I think maka ho asem happen. Say onipa ba bia, you need to prophesy on your life. Shankomgu abrabo so say me mame ho na wotwe miensa. Me mame ho boso ase manifeste. Obusa ho sa asem no. Because okan no the gidie bi tai akire. Ena tumi e wo ye techrema sonso edi akire. And he said catch am say in fact ma brabo enye hia brabo fa gidie na tumi ni de edi akire dida. The only thing you need is faith. Gidie ebeye adwuma. Enti no enne so when these habits now I want you to develop the habit of prophecy. Yes. Sometimes you do not need a pastor, a prophet, a prophetess, one na shenkom, a soothsayer or whoever. Now a shenkom de egu abrabom. You need to believe in yourself. Who say I won't so touch the man that will numunu to me a womb. Touch the man that will numunu. So what the cancer man ebeye ye. Makase obi betimi akansan bi ato wo be bre titru ni mame fo e che mame bra bre de che me de hwe sometimes I na bebre na fi so mo kana grow awo fo bebre na nim say impact bi eni asem no kanaji. But I tell you what, to me what touch them so no e di asem no kanaji. Sometimes you feel say makane sa akeke oh consider na so dia makola we die na kola bone die oya kola bone ya ma wanhwe kro benya epani bone asem na waka na di uba na chi aneti na sa energy na wo di kan sa asem na choba no onfa nka nhira asem ndi akola na chi me ba consider me say obedi first wa class ma scholarship obenya no abrofo kra ba fa na kusua de. See, these are positive things we should be telling our kids. And I say young comfort no my brabos and I impo young kasanka ya braboso. Because our destiny can be changed by what we speak or what that comes out of our mouth. In some way free and mubano. It was a sign ya brabo. And he said to me why you touch ramaso. Na say beti me ya brabo aye tantan asaya. Yan fasa yan chance energy no into positive energy. Obani course gonna catch and say, Kiki, I know say you are the good or you are the best child in that class, and you go make him. Meaning say at the end of the semester, at the end of the month, term, at the end of the term, Obeba fear with good grades. You see, these are things if you say to the child or if you say to the kids, onanga so te classroom on say ofifie na oba na ma am na positive energy that goes and the man already. Entinanye de awo akola bi wo kan na no otie. Ne ma me say odimade, ne ma me say oye conqueror, ne ma me say oye champion. So that is why she is here. That is why he's in the classroom. Not what you are sitting there you are talking. That be. Enya no kra. Awofo wen kwa de Michelle me pa chopa ye fiase ye engu ye mabrabum taxi driver Shankongu abrabo mu say 2 years untwi obi ka bio. The next 2 years that one mi untwi obi ka bio. Shankongu abrabo mu na fa gidie die chese asanu aka na be ye adwuma. Utie mu tifie sabi uni adwuma wo ye. Shankongu abrabo mu say akyere so the next 3 months me manya adwuma ye. Men trafie men sre a common name me so me yesikani. Me so me your defo Shankongu abrabo so because to me what touch them so e be adwuma 93.3 FM my friends here na yen twa ye homra ye ba party no as we cry senka ye the command ehu motivational message as e man dey obi ya gi ani dey ye wura honhom too much Babili say the wura man dey I hope say we dey ma prapre gire ye vasisia
Famuko na yaru be du muntum gra. Yesu bebrebe ya besi mu yi ana.
Bra kwesi. Me kunu pnia na epne se me fa ni nko ni krom o. Oko ni malaria tete ne dodo.
Oh, I want herbal capsules and an mixture. Ebubu yare gu for me monte. Enem de ade asiemu. Se ba no koko yare ade a edura ohia ne Ava 1 herbal capsules. Ebu adwuma pa. Na na mixture me kira Ava 1 herbal mixture study. Malaria slow no kokokoko. Etu malaria se. Wenu mu ato. I want a deal. Umpo mu ayemre. Bobi. Omodo so nya na drugstores and herbal shops. Your number 055440062. Ava no ye ALVA. Edro nya mapemfo. Nyoma ne banufo. Ene abofra on di fie dumienu. Oya malaria test. Na say positive a. We dura ne Ava 1 herbal mixture. Wa akimoda open dodo etu a. Obehu omo pepiase ampedu. Omo Akim State College junction ne so. Abo main road ne so. Ubenya bi so ato Amwafo drugstore, Kenop Pharmacy, Ochiniba drugstore, Akim Swedo so, Bosume Pharmacy, and Achime Wisasu KB drugstore. Ava 1 herbal capsules nene mixture. Peking crime. FDA aji ejwedi enkratoya tu.
I swear. Nyamia nim nukura ni se bread Dania. I was also Danny B. Preferland Hotel. Wow, what a hotel. Messi, mitrima do. Me wife wa. Besinia ko Preferland weekend CBN. Esan say, bia okope as wadu fie. Bibia bi wo ho. Management no so tight. Wo mo nipa wo do. Eni to kra ne Japan. Besinia ko Preferland Hotel. Se wo di birthday party. Oh ware. Ana ye na ode wo ba fi. Program bia. Bowra Preferland Hotel. Adentia. Owo car park kesie. Owo baby green grass. Enkwada diagro kama. Na ne pool no. Eya kono bi international standard. Udwali ni na kone safa filter mu. Pool no so udwali a. Unse yes, ujali ni pensio. Akona nkasa. Preferland Hotel o wa dan ya udro bebre. Asa uju ani bra. Onya bushane benya baby ada. Na so no kanjiman's go. No problem. Ebo no sie ku. Enya nunku. So pensa no ma. Udro bia ya tuntumbo Preferland Hotel. Enyum chetia so abri bia. Eninti achemu dama so ene ni mpatamfo ni na across from she ho. Preferland Hotel bamamo. Noni masem de bia wo. Kwase de bia. Eye pool party. Esanso e mutuo special. Brabe didi. Na se jolly. Preferland Hotel e wa chimanso. Wudu ani akyere achemu dan kwa no so na. Presby school na chipe. Fresh 0551 187-926 and now say 0507-640-302. Preferland Hotel, Fresisia, Neabama.
Oh, correct, sir. I take a woman. Mary Medro delay man capsules ya wunum ye die. Boy, yeah. I would na wenya sano. Would delay Jumano so papa. Now what say? Now we ye pa. Delay my capsules. I don't know. I might miss me go to them why I can see. Na local mixture and the capsules sir. A man marima nyina num bie no. Me num bie no me do. Who me say? Me who say wa he fie ho ayefe neat pa. Enti na wo ko share wa would delay sir. Sa. Local mixture and the capsules means so a feature chrome yaw biem mura se wo be delay kra no means no be man na wo baby a wo be hu dia wo mpe ana wo beti yaw bi e wo ho baby ano fa local mixture esia no yare bi te se gonorrhea white syphilis and the keka ho no wo bi a woni ntime nyi da entima local mixture and the capsules e me yefri hu e wo heba e pharmacy na mu dodo afre 0242 133 577 and 0202-675-778. Local mixture and the capsules. And what's that in kind?
Salute. Hey.
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow. Any offense will be count.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready Pedianimo Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the one, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarua who ran Nipa and Yina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarua Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamua suing Yano, a boy who buying every home. And now Pa, Omuan Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor in Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep pinti. Ya Omuntim Pose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kanshi, and you may move Bia your toe in row. And to form.
Hi, you're from your foreman. Mejuma Sweni, Inti Obia Pemasem. Sawudi Wajuma Shamisa. Mesha say, Usika Enco Waste. Inti, Metomino Menina Free Jump Trading Enterprise. Mr. Mensa, Anna, Chairman Mensanche. Enti Sawupe Cement, Gasem, Diamond, Anna say, Simaf, Nina, Ube MM to Quarter Rose, POP, Plaster Balls, Kenoff, Papa Panibi, Fiber, Set Tintin Anatetia, Opeshi Barrows, Center Panels, Corner Moldings, War Angles, plywood, bine wire, Anna Empo, Opa Butchery Paints, Home Champ, big and as a small size. Nina, Ubenya Biatowo, Champ Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensa, Anna Chairman Mensan Cheng, Owa Kameni Junction, Onijaji, and a Dinshanim. 0208 123 872 and now 0244 566 880. Jump Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensana, what's a bra? Nani Buono edit that form.
Driver, na fa me ko obo de ensa wom herbal clinic. Na me fa mani ko twamansa ko ka dientia. Obi ade ne yade ko hono a. Won fa ne yade ensa mba fie bi. Na onya na yaresa. Wo fa ni besi na me fa nko. Na so kwadwo ayaresa. Mo yade, wo mo say yade bi a ha obi a wo kwa besa hwe. Yade bi ti say stroke, hypertension, fibroid, infertility, diabetes, hepatitis, hypertension, sexually transmitted disease, prostate cancer, infertility. Ana uti pai untume ngo bema ana oba ntume ngo. Oba wo ne bema da wo huntumi nsane wo. Bema wo de boss wa no agemu. Yade be ne ha wo. Wonase na atatai anase wa honhono moja broswo ana wuni moja. Waniase ye fita. Se ye nkrodo yade bi a ha obi a. Obo ade nsa wo mheba clinic timi say 10. Say ye hand number no 0532333372.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
Yeah, another one for the girl down. Whoa, Miss UMG.
I never wanna watch you leave. Baby, would you stay with me? Your body make me catch conji. It make me catch conji, yeah. Tell me what you want again, cause I demand over you, really. Baby, put it all on me. Sexy mama, wind your body for that D. Pretty mama, I just wanna make you happy, yeah. You done give me fire, set my soul on fire. My heart desire, you're my heart desire.
Baby, I be a Superman, I say, Superman, I got you.
Superman. For you to even think of itself, cross for you, I could be your Jesus. We ballin' and get money like baby jet. So baby, give me your baby and I'll buy you a jet. Let's ride, rumors fly, your matter take flight. Let's hide in disguise for you, but these guys. This guy got what you need, so don't think twice. I'm skinny, but I got it in my jeans, that's right.
Champagne for my pain, I stay in my lane. Every day is my birthday, wait till weekend. Champagne for my pain, I stay in my lane. Every day be my birthday, it be we did it. Oh baby, you know we outside. Yeah, we outside. Now make it wiggle like a panda. I want to bounce it, 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 baby, bounce it, bounce it, bounce it. Champagne for my pain. So my darling, would you fly with me international? You go there with me for flight. Honey, would you stay with me? I said no man. You go there with me
for life.
Hey girl, baby, let me take you for a ride. I know you bad, but me I don't like. Oh, yeah, yeah. No many girls, but me I don't like. Me too many, it's you alone. Shuberu, although you best so me move. My baby, Shuberu, Peru. Oh yeah, yeah. Shuberu, although you best so me move. My baby, Shuberu, Peru. Samete unia, na miti Miami do. Saudi wasaba me wa, na miti Miami do. Baby, you make my heart beat, girl. Your love that beat me. Things you do to me, girl, you don't even know. No.
Girls gonna have fun. Throw that ass back, machine gun. Oh, she's in action. Her melanin shining like the sun. Did you know that you're beautiful? I'm on baby.
Hello, Ghana. This is your girl Friscalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti. Hello, Ghana. This is your girl Friscalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti. Hello, Ghana. This is your girl Friscalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena Kwesti.
What I cannot do, I no go do myself like I go feed do. I know I won't. I see you did do I'm good for feed to kill you. All I know is if I did you, one thing I'm not stopping, I'm not flopping, crazy bang is dropping, running, I'm walking, I'm not joking. Feeling the vibe cause I don't my life. Then you claim you love me back to the low. Stabbing your back, they won't see you in pain. If you never know, don't worry, now you know. Feeling the vibe cause I don't my life. Then you claim you love me back to the low. Stabbing your back, they won't see you in pain. Feeling the vibe cause I don't my life. Then you claim you love me back to the low. Stabbing your back, they won't see you in pain. If you never know, don't worry, now you know. Feeling the vibe cause I don't my life. Then you claim you love me back to the low. Stabbing your back, they won't see you in pain. Look, I live my life for look. I got you on me, I know they don't leave. Show me way, make you know they drop me. Oh please, look, make you know they do your eye if you know me. If I fall, I beg, don't laugh me. I got you on me, I know they don't leave. Show me, hey, one thing, I'm not stopping, I'm not flopping,
For the mid-morning show, have a blessed day. Why, baby, why, cut the baby, why, yellow, yes, and Namali, shake up body there, Nammy, Minangame, for the Apple, spitty, ziggy, go show me, stipulate. Why, baby, why, cut the baby, why, I cannot wait no more.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Okay, to the left, back to the right, now lean back. You know the vibes, dope nation. What be your price? Yesterday price, no be today price. Hey, to the left, back to the right, now lean back. You know the vibes, dope nation. What be your price? Yesterday price, no be today price. Hey, we go for one side, Yaro don't try. Yeah, mommy gunshot. Yeah, I be you know the vibes. We go for one side, Yaro don't try. Yeah, mommy gunshot. Yeah, we the carry first, here for Ghana. If you with it, Moshe Jama, make you no carry bed in your cabana, auto credit in your cabana. If you enter your head, in a fama, you make it ziggy, ziggy zaga, make it holla boys, now kwaba, Zantis, man, now kwaba. Okay, to the left, not to the right, now lean back, you know the vibes, top nation, what be your price? It's the deal price, the big price, to the left, not to the right, now lean back, you know the vibes, top nation, what be your price? It's the deal price, for one side, shadow don't try, shami don't show, I be you on the vibes, shadow don't try. If you get money, no be hide the money, make you spend the money, job. Bring the show, there is a cost. Although would I be stand up? Bring the show, there is a cost. Although would I be stand up? When I will love, I want it way. 50 bottles on display, 50 bottles on the way. Spending money like a criminal. Balling, them see me now. Bend it like a Gemini, like a Gemini. I'm the criminal.
Nicki Minaj, come give me love, give me your body. Butter my bread, she got my tea, give me your cocoa. Ain't nobody touching you, when they try it, they touching you. Everybody crushing you, but I'm wanting to marry you. I know the daddy, I know that you say I'll be busy. Now you're my guy, it's for my mind inside. I'm the water, baby, do something nice. I am mata, tell I love your body, darling. Look at my big baby, the woman so nice and her skin so clean. She calling my love like a sweet sister. Over and over, she can do my thing. She's so in love with me. It's a blessing that I found a queen, and she doesn't care if I'm poor or rich. I give her my love till eternity. Oh no no no. Can I promise I will be there for you? Oh no no no. If you ever leave, I go hunting for you, my queen. Kiss you first thing in the morning. For me, baby, never treat you funny. Daddy, I'm not that. You don't say I'll be best for you. If I'm my mind inside, I'm your water, baby, you just something nice. Daddy, I'm not that. Tell I love your body. Nicki Minaj, come give me love, give me your body. Butter my bread, she got my tea, give me your cocoa. Ain't nobody touching you, wanna try it, touching you. Everybody's crushing you, but I'm wanting to marry you. I know you, daddy, I'm not that. You may say I'm from
Right, so we're still jumping in the studios of 93.3 of one like DJ Shabo is fired up. Charlie, come and see the way the guy, the bang, the gang, the dab. You are easy to do. You are seated and you do all the dance. You see, one thing about dance is that what's in a while? I don't know if it's only me, but me I dance better when I sit. But I'm sorry, I dance rubbish. Hey, wonderful. Sabet how they are with Musapa. But Miss Sorry, Jam and also they are. So hungwa. Anyway, it's 30 minutes after 11. It's 2:20 to the best mid-morning. And of course, my name still remains Kobina Kosti. Call me out Brandon for the perfect gentleman. And it's a Friday. And this is what we do on Fridays. We make sure, Charlie, we entertain you to the max. You get it? So whatever you're doing, wherever you are, this is the best place, to be on Fridays. So just tell a friend, if today happens to be your very first time tuning in to this particular frequency, tell your friend that this is what we do on Fridays. I mean, on the mid-morning. But hey, this particular frequency, you won't regret listening to. No, trust me. From Ahomachi to Ahomachi, whoever that comes on this frequency, Joe, it will be bad, but the baddest. That is what we represent. So I think it was yesterday or on Wednesday when I was going home. There's this phobia and now we didn't come about Abozege, and they were saying, you say Charlie Abozege for day. Actually, not on my home because at the end of say on, and I was on the phone too. Hey, Abozege for day, Jayo, this. So the next day when I was coming, so I think it was Wednesday, into the end when I was coming, and I'm a Belmo. My mom who said, yo, Charlie, I really appreciate whatever you guys say. You got it. Because I ain't kind of up there. From my Ahomachi to Ahomachi. I said from my Ahomachi, the news, the sports, the morning show, the mid-morning, the lunchtime, the drive, the after drive, whatever. Joe, Charlie, this is the show, man. This is the frequency, man. 31 after 11, 93.3 FM. You tune in once again to the best mid-morning. And my person Facebook is here. I want to show you guys something. I hope you all know this year by now of Wusumi FM. This one we go show on Facebook. Once I am for assembly member and as assembly member, I'm a flyer. It shows the party they belongs to, right? This guy is an MPP guy because of the flyer. No, who have been so the answer? Oh, this guy is an NDC guy. But this year by the end there, I don't know. Say a goom. And what color is this? Say a goom for the. Are you a goom a goom member or what? Meaning because this one NDC for color, NPP for color. A goom, a goom, and a CPP, and a PPP. PPP. Mumba here. Vote for Nate Isaac. Mumba Facebook is here. Or this Shabaya Nate is on our screens. Or this Shabaya Nate. No. No so or say 9th June. Into almost 9th June, National Sex Day. Or see the day which couples celebrate by having sex. The reason, I think is that the reason National Sex Day is on 9th June is because 69 closely resembles the popular sex position 69. What is about these things you are sending me? Hey, Niyama Krum. Afosua electoral area. What is about all Nyauberry? I did know. Oria Chroma Honka. How honorable present our Chroma. Who the Comusa go with this? What's going to punish me? Missing Mumbra Facebook. Mumbra Facebook is here. Mumbra can kind of from your Facebook page. Oh, this Shabbat I don't have it. Vote for Nate Isaac as assembly member for Myanmar Chrome Afusua electoral area. Oh, wait, baby. Shenimoto no rebranding Myanmar Chrome electoral area. Allah. Kobe Masana could be a man. And those them say, Okocha Baga market for no. It was so the Mawa. Uko marketer. Okoton toes, Mokonia, dia now the goon. Send your bear over Kaiser. Honorable no more radio station. Now when you knew. Oh no, am I? But I'm standing at some of my SDA. I be popular SDA there, SDA. That man who me, that be where I grew up. That be man who done Gaza. So me I go SDA. I better walk crag of me will be able to my SDA. But just say me my interest not the politics inside. I say. Okay. Oh, but me SDA there on the road. I go SD na see I go stand for assembly member. I would do when man but for my what they say Obi I would him see as a some brefala and pani ade to was it. Abo mama call brefala and that ho the nya. So anyways, munyo de shaban free so na me adwuma. Brefala Hotel e wa chimwanso. Sunday bia pool party koso. And the channel song, so baby Eddie birthday, baby I engagement. In fact, social gatherings are doing na baby I na. Now I call Brefferland Hotel. There were well ventilated rooms and a spacious and secure car parks, bar and restaurants. And panel so shabosi as some panning in a tinampa. All that's who's all done paso. But patroni Gideon Ninkomo 0551187926 and 0507640302. And I'm going to tell my board no. They are biodigesters for now. Someone may biodigester and somebody say as a sponge be yes, Ninya Amudi be about Amudi be by Jam Trading Enterprise. It's me patch also open cement at all, open Nadwa iron rods, POP, plaster balls, marine board, open plywood, buying wire, and I'll frame fiber near the or Jam Trading Enterprise. And Rame ho and Kohono, Amudi products ni be bre aba. Omudi bebre aba bebrena enomudi aba and they will pay bia no jo ya sort out what you say and no one so the quality papa and ya dey be go Mr. Mensa dey me see odwen achemfo ho yie pa odwen obia ho yen wo krom ha no ne importema nyina na ya adwen se pese ye sidan no odwen ye ho I didn't know the cement papa ba what the nadwa did I first say biodigester sir. Because now I didn't run over through sir. Me patrol the only biogas. Biogas as a sponge is a bizarre. And no I'm going to be braba. Me patrol friend Mr. Mensa 0208123872 na 0244566880 0208123872 na 0244566880 Mr. Mensa our Kameni Junction one is yayi and the shenu yayi one me patrol udru na also Mr. Mensa mo bi anda da say no Mr. Mensa come Mr. Mensa ho straight now on show no my papa after yanko yi haircut papa dia na ye call Nelly's haircut Nelly's haircut e wo achim asene ye wo ye abenkwamo kwan so Assemblies of God kwan so we sa ho no o na be hu Nelly's haircut open so abusa say atopa hen na ase wo no Isabella hen fa na Isabella wo Isabella so hu Isabella say atopa hen ge na ye fa no Rama no hen fa na mo store no wo me pa chodru on ma ye be kire wo Nelly's haircuts. Nelly's haircuts. Ye impenity, ye inquality, ye pemigu, ye sporting waves, ye die with in your cowboy. Come upon. The part of friend was 0542524856 0542524856. Nelly's haircuts, your perfect touch. Don't cool ventures. Don't cool ventures. Cool. Chroma no more baby. I'll be your club and the Guinness tato. Hey, Dom Cool Ventures. Honkwan no ton papa tio. Nia un say you sacred be one man. Maybe example ha. Say 50 cities ya will be ton 51 cities. But the Don Cool me sure price I did G1 cran no one did you kruma. Yan ka say na ye kon ye de ka ko ye tofu on ye senti na ye de good customers so there be. Yes sir. Nya price I ton one cran no. Sana ye so ye ton e Don Cool Ventures. Don Cool Ventures our chim oda e patro oda ne aboabo stretch ne so no road no so na the new story building your friend on Sunny Star Plaza Sunny Star Plaza, Old EPL Sawmills, Kamekan Hotel. EPL Sawmills, Hona na be Don Cool Ventures. Don Cool Ventures, a Casa Precum product, say Alomo, K20, BlackRock, tonic wine, and a dry gin. I'm afraid so there was soft drinks. And in Kuala so wait me go pay be atans Mr. Akwala be go school Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Wait me go shop dey be ango to me pa chok box fa go chef fridge mu. What is here? And to cut Don Cool Ventures ni nyoma ni na bo afu Kuala dey be soft drinks, say bear cola, hot cola. Ni na ubenya bi ato Don Cool Ventures. Me pa chok friend was 0555 486990 now 0555625268 0556252668 Don Cool now we house say I just say and I mean we be was up I was under me kind me call films and I who be never be she be but you see am tia so ka se men kaya wallahi tala men kaya so me kind Frimpong Enterprise. Opportunity pay. Got Frimpong to say got Frimpong Enterprise one must say na ko pay. Say more bag na episode to madigum. Na shop no so. Wa be feeling say what to shop there. Papa got Frimpong Enterprises here. Na ko pay provisions a hodo na fe gum. After your books, your pens, your air freshness, your touch lights, both chargeable and batteries one in when you be at our way. Frame was 0244877525, now 0206473953, 0242111236. Frimpong Enterprise. You watch Madame Mandarina down and Ubehuyen. Afe nyame ya adoma this Saturday me na we watching crowd watching nyame boa and I Europa Champions League final no Ebaso game between City and Inter Milan game no Ebaso enumerate 7 the sides na hinkana from yani the Blues Pub and Restaurant kan ho abom sene ayede Sevilla ni AS Roma game no bro no ewo ho no sabe pepe ni Manchester City and Inter Milan game no so dey bro live me pa cho yengi sika free so the channel so brand name bom ba me pa cho make sure you going to rep your jerseys. I say rep your jersey na yes say when the City fans no ba you rep your jersey, Inter you rep your jersey against the foreign so against supporters union na mo so ma rep mu jersey kama na mo dey aba be preparation kama pa 7 ni be share game na say me share about the Blues so aduane assault na yetontomi ho fried rice, pizza, noodles, benku, omutuo, tioza fi kokonte ampesie ni na obenya bi die fili after so drinks ahodo nyina the Blues there Joe we did what that they are wasn't different but you did what that they kind of can what say but na say be say be alcohol na say the alcohol so ni ma but na bo bi na dia 0246970146 0246970146 the Blues Pub and Restaurants over to me friends na the chuno yeah that bro what I say hello you DSO DSO right, so 93.3 FM. Juma no asugu so out here no. Ya feel me kobena costi. Now when I send 5 CDs ama me no. Shall we look at home? 5 CDs. Me farm for one me who mobile money see someone have sent me 5 CD. Hey me pa chop me pa what kind of disrespect is that? Dear credit. Me you share say hey no be this I thought it was 5,000 was that 5 CDs. Me pa chop wa say chwade say and I say fa you can on the same we can 5,000. 4,995, right? Me pa chofa. I say, right, so on Monday, officially, let me say this. So on Monday, I'll be hosting Apostle Enoch Abra. On Monday, on a Juma, Apostle Enoch Abra, founder of Doxa Ministries Arena. I think international bishop, Kobe. International show, Doxa Ministries International Arena, right? Yeah. So on Monday, Apostle Enoch Abra. Okay, so it's Doxa Arena Ministries International. And yet Doxa International Ministry Arena Committee. The Doxa Arena Ministries International. Okay, so on Monday, I'll be hosting the Apostle Enoch Abra. My papa. He's my papa. From way back. So you've been discussing the new book about you. And also his journey in the ministry as a prophet, as an apostle, and as a father to many of us as well. So everything come on when he joins us or when he comes to the studios on Monday. So make a date with us. Apostle in the Cabra will be here. Alright, you know, happy birthday, Nkoma Rich, aka Ananias, formerly of Jubilee Hospital, and also a personal driver. Edema. Okay, so this is a message from my general manager. I will say a happy birthday to Dada Rich, aka Ananias, formerly of Jubilee Hospital, and my personal driver as well. God bless him. May he live long and prosper. Okay, so this is from my general manager, Mr. Benjamin Champon. Wishing happy birthday. And from Koma Dada Rich. Hey, this shower there's a car can move. This shower. Obeto car mo mana say we car the campaign. Hey, this shower. You see there. Oh, okay. Just over to church size books in your one. Hey, what is about what we need? What cow? Over my if you have also bag in the idea. Hey, what is about? What is about what we need here? A chroma uncle. Yo, what we need here, Uncle Chroma? Are you judge, man? This year by nothing. This year by code. Oh, we will see a code. Me feel say we are calling you. Me say a code. Man, here. This year by there's a code in town. It's a comments. It's a campaign. Anything. Yeah, campaign. So I want to help you. I want to join your campaign team. This year by you ready there? I mean you are no campaign team now. Me where the money is where I like go. But mentias party men are is it MPP or NDC or PPP and I goom because yenya hu we dey no Romeo dey no meba Romeo dey check it here. Yes, Romeo dey here white blue come you say then MPP yeah MPP for colors no and star boy star B so do dey dey full NDC. I want to know who's NDC for colors na NDC na eshi ana kukurudu no na there kukurudu na ye MPP kukurudu MPP and NDC there eshi kukurudu na eshi na ka MPP eshi na so ya MPP and NDC there NDC there Emiejo modo Romeo there. You see, one colors no. I'm not saying all MPP, but I'm saying the colors no. Yes. And I start with the major bodo. There be major bodo any party there. Bibi no. Shovel.
Okay.
Ejobodo. David. And this here. Papa or can. Eyezu. And this here Eyezu. And I'm PPA she. Rado. And a goom day. Goom no money. I don't have more than them because they are no pompo the goom amount. Because of color they goom for color. Oh, but it's possible that possible. There's a mission and new much about politics, but that you politician. Now see okay Kumante from our field is now a politician. My own boss Sadiq Baba is now a politician. Obo from our field is a politician. So I mean it's possible. Me too, I'll be a politician one day. But I mean my kind of politics will be some way. Because me if I become no, I won't say this. Maybe I'd actually be serious. It will come against me. Because Kamabe can't see me. But this year, say the show is live. Been a problem. I will say it, but it's possible. I will be a politician. You are dead. I mean, that was just my name. Yeah, okay. Can you get a song for me? As I'm person me DSO. It's my DSO. La Russo. I think that's the song. I think that's the song. Yes. So I want to listen to that song. Start free if it has me. No, like I just Saka 7 minutes near go. Yeah. So I mean, start free if it has me. Yes. So this is what I really want to listen. I don't know, and then I'm fired up. So this is DSL. And LaRusso, because this one happy.
Have a blessed day.
King Kong.
A DSL.
LaRusso.
Pull up in a Benzo, yeah we got right. So me come a friend and we link up. We meet up, we drink up and boost up. I love the life I live with my guys. What is life when you don't live life? Location sent to the chat group. Hey, nobody knows tomorrow.
Nobody knows tomorrow. Let go of the sorrow. You know life now YOLO. So I'm chilling with a few guys on our lane and we're doing what feels right. With a dance thing, yo, selling on the poolside all night. Dance. DSL link is a one ya big jam. But then you call now when I respond. Set who's so tight to lift the spirit on.
Happy day, we happy. We live in it all today. Nobody knows tomorrow. Happy day, we happy. We live in it all up today. Nobody knows tomorrow. So they call me my team. Live like two with the inner 90s. Find white thing now they post like this. Walk like this, smile like this. Watch my teeth. Yeah, 2 girls in the night, oh gosh. Brand new Benz, what a life with touch. When me snatch your girl with a eye contact, just a eye contact, just eye contact. Happy day, we happy.
Right, so such a classic tune. LaRusso DSL. Tell her how they see the song. Tell her how they see the song. How do you say the song? I will bring them back. So beautiful music, DSL, LaRusso, happy. I just love good music. Me, I don't know if I hear good music, I feel say, Charlie, I shouldn't have quit my music career. No, me quit it, but I shouldn't have put them on hold. So DSL, you want mentor, right? It was mental.
Testing by my side, pull up in a Benzo, yeah we got right. So me come a friend and we link up.
We link up
and boost up. I love the life I live with my guys. What is life when you don't live life?
Hey, everybody now. Are you ready now? Let's do this. Oh, happy day, we happy. Nobody knows tomorrow. Hey, hey, this is not today. Nobody knows tomorrow. You never understand. Your life, your YOLO.
So I'm chilling with a few guys on our lane and we're doing what feels right.
Yeah, so when the money comes, most definitely we're gonna chill with some few guys. Not plenty. Some few guys. Those that stick around when we were in our lowest. That's what we did right now. Joe, I'm a quiet Friday. I'll see a cold boy for China Showbiz. So everything. So a big shout out going out to my life DJ Shabo, Kobe K, and Mr. Billy, top-notch producers. So we leaving, we going. My name once again, Jenny Me Champion Boating. Call me Kobe Nakosti, Brante, the perfect gentleman.